Hi everybody, I made a change to the slide deck for Chemistry 1100C that I hope will make things easier for people, and you can see it right here on the course homepage. I'll go over it briefly, what it consists of. If that's enough for you, you don't have to listen to any more. I'll then go into a little more detail where I click on some of the links so you can see some more detail. And then finally, I'll also go over a sample submission as well. So I would probably start by making this thing a little bit bigger. I like that. And then what you'll see is it's designed so that you can basically click your way through the week, pure and simple. The first link is the weekly summary page that has a lot of good links within it. On below that are the video playlists for the videos for the week. After that, you have the WebEx lecture at 7 p.m. on Tuesday. That's just the link for that. And then there's the lesson from Blackboard that'll take you directly to there for each week. Around Thursday or so, you should start the assignments, probably a little sooner because now you're starting to accumulate points. And this is a separate file that has each lab and assignment so that you can just fill in the blanks and do it that way. And then on Friday, you can continue that because this is a lot of work here. Submit them, and I'll show you how you can do that. And finally, on Saturday, it's time to take the quiz so you can review and then take the quiz. Okay, that's the overall viewpoint. If that's enough for you, fine. But now I want to click through a few of these things and make sure you know what the details are. So week one will take you to the slide deck that now has this new front page on it. Now don't be fooled, it's still working its way through and will go, it takes a minute, but it'll then, once it all populates, and it does take a minute, it will then go to the week one. See that? So you have to wait a little bit. And this used to be my everything slide for each week, and I think I'll still be posting it each time we have a new week, like tomorrow, for example. But notice that there's all the links you need for the whole week are here, and the schedule, and some helpful help videos, and that's where you can find those help videos. And if we go continue to work our way down, here's the playlist for the videos for the week. These will play automatically in order, just like a Netflix movie. And there's 14 of them for the first week. And they're 2 to 6 minutes each. So watch those, learn the core material. Next we have the lecture. This is just the WebEx lecture. It's the exact same link all week. After that we have the lesson. This is just a link to the lesson in Blackboard. You could also navigate there from Blackboard to the exact same spot. On Thursday we have the same start the assignments, and so this is new. Take a look at this. I've just compiled them in one convenient little file here. In fact, I think right now, let's imagine that you wanted to complete one of these assignments. I'll show you what might be involved. Let's say you want to do the first lab. Well, right now it's in view-only mode so that you don't make changes to everybody else's document. But let's say you want to do the first lab, which is right there, and it's 2 pages long. I would take both those pages, highlight them, and then I would copy them, which I usually just do with Control C. And then how about a new document so we can edit it. And then once you're there, and that's opening up, I think I have too many windows open. We can paste that in. And I will delete some, yeah, there it is. Okay, it's just moving a little slow. Don't need that front page. And now you can go ahead and make your edits for each box. Fill in your answer. See that? Once it's all filled in, I think I download it so you can submit it. So download it. I think PDF is probably fine. I don't care if you do it as a PowerPoint, if you're more comfortable with that. And there it is. Your document would be now ready for submission with all your answers there. Nice and clean. Easy for you to see, easy for me to grade. Life is good. And then at that point, you just go to the assignment uh, section of Blackboard, I understand, and submit it, and that's it. Let's just continue a little bit with the remaining links here, just to make sure you can see them. So those were the assignments. 2 days, these links are the same. To review, you can click on Review, and that will take you to the spot in the slide deck. See how it's working its way there? This thing has to populate. I got 800 windows open, so it might be taking a little bit of time, but in a few seconds we should get to the How to Ace It section, right? How to Ace the Module 1 quiz. I like to go through these in present mode because I've animated it, so you can ask yourself for each one the question and then see if you got it right. It's like one big flashcard. If you prefer, you can also watch it as a YouTube video, and there's a link for that too. So what's an observation? Oh, I don't know, something that you see? Oh, okay, good. What's a hypothesis? Statement, okay. And so you can work your way through like that. You can also click here and watch a video if you prefer. That just has me describe each thing. That's getting pretty close to it. I think the only thing that we have not gone over is just the quiz itself. And for that, all this does is take you to the quiz directly. You can also get there from Blackboard as usual. Okay, that's the whole thing. I hope that this makes life easier, and I welcome any feedback that you might have, and send me emails if you have any questions. All right, thanks everybody.